profits is not relevant. The number of stores they own is not relevant. How dare you go into that? And how dare you not stop her?
Your Honor, may I go off the record for a moment?
Go right ahead.
Thank you. By the way, this is not for your ears.
It's okay.
You stupid bastard. Cases rarely turn on what's relevant. What you need to be concerned with is that Allstop makes $160 million in pure profit a day. A day. That's 800 million gross revenue. In the 20 minutes it took for the ambulance to reach Mary Finnerty's crushed skull, your client made $10 million. Now, that might leak out in court, and even if it doesn't, look at this face. It comes with its own publicist. The jury will get wind of those numbers.
In which case we'll appeal.
Great! You really think you're going to be the attorney handling the appeal when your client gets whacked with a $50 million judgment? You're an ass! Times two. Now let's settle this as though your miserable career depended on it, you dumb bastard. I'm sorry, Your Honor, where were we?